Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Rated V, where I excite you about plant-based food, and today I'm trying out a vegan recipe by Elsa'S Wholesome Vegan Life. She makes a vegan fried egg that I've been curious to try for so long, and when I went to Mallorca, if you recall, if you see this video,
I'm honestly surprised this is pumpkin. I had seen recipes like this before, but had never really tried it, but wow, I think I should do this at home.
I said I had to try it at home because they also used a recipe that used pumpkin that makes an egg yolk, and I was like, okay, I just need to try this at home, so I'm gonna do it here for you guys. So let's get to it. So first you'll need some kind of pumpkin for the yolk. I'm sure you can buy a can of pureed pumpkin if you're feeling lazy, but I decided to use fresh pumpkin as the original recipe. So let it boil until softened, about 15 minutes. In a bowl or a high-speed blender, add half a cup of pumpkin cooked, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons olive oil to replicate the fattiness of the yolk, a 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. This is important for the eggy flavor because it has that sulfuric component, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, I use Himalayan, and then blend with a hand blender or high-speed blender until smooth. For the white, you'll need 1/4 cup rice flour, but if you don't have any, just get some white rice and blend it in high-speed blender and you got flour, ta-da! 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 cup of oat milk or whatever plant milk you have, a tablespoon of water, and just mix well until incorporated. Next we cook, so add some oil to a pan on medium-high heat, and a couple tablespoons of the rice flour mixed into the pan until it's the size you want. Let cook for 10 seconds covered, and then spoon the pumpkin puree and cover for about 30 to 45 seconds and repeat until done. I'm of course making avocado toast, so toast your bread and spread generously with avocado, top with your cute vegan egg, and garnish with paprika and pumpkin seeds. Okay, so it's the moment of truth. I'm going to try these. I cannot wait. They look so cute and super good. I'm gonna try the egg white first. The egg white is really good. It has a neutral flavor, really nice. The difference you notice between this and the real egg is obviously it's not like gelatinous because it's starchy, but I really like it. I honestly am like, I love this right now. Okay, I haven't gone to the yolk yet. Let me take a bite of this yolk. Is really good. It honestly satisfies my eggy craving, especially for a runny sunny side up egg. I'm not gonna say that the yolk tastes like real yolk. It doesn't, because in the end it's gonna pumpkin, but it has a close enough flavor that it satisfies you. And I'm honestly really happy with it. I'll continue making this recipe for sure. I'm really enjoying this. The other cool thing is if you're too lazy to make the egg white, you can just use the yolk part and pour it all over something to have that eggy flavor, which is something I'll probably do as well. But there's so many different things you can do with this egg yolk and egg white recipe. You can use it in any recipe where you would typically use the fried egg. I've seen recipes that make ramen, bibimbap, like there's so many things. So I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. Well guys, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe and let me know what you want to see next. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me trying to attempt to make another recipe that somebody else has made. I always like getting inspired by dishes that I see at restaurants, or sometimes when I see restaurants like, oh my gosh, I saw this recipe somewhere else before. So I always like experimenting at home, and I really encourage you guys to do the same. That's how you can broaden your horizon with vegan food, and you honestly don't miss any of the foods you used to eat once you discover something that you really enjoy. So hope you guys like it. Bye!